don't have a clue what we're doing here. We're fitting the Stance Plus coilovers to the wagon. Basically just doing a sort of ultimate daily transformation to the car over the next couple of months. We're working on Chris's car as well, but yeah, so we're fitting them and we're fitting the TRC front splitter. Hopefully change up front end a little bit, make it look a little bit nicer. Yeah, so basically changing up the whole car. So this will look a lot different in a couple of months, but I think we'll jack the car up, get it up, and then once we start a ticking wheel off, I'll jump back in. Or it just not on to. Who put that on? Yeah, but took a chunk out of the tyre as well.
You got that since Raymond Agents?
Yeah. Oh man. I'll tell you something once I get some alloys on. So careful. So quick update, wheels off. It's over there. Got to take this trim out now. Do I just lift it up or what am I?
Yeah, you need to lift it, wouldn't you? So it's
what's covering it? Oh, that needs to come off. Oh, right, I'm not sure that's been put somewhere. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah. Well, if not, we might have to take a trip to Alfred's.
Biggest one I've got.
Let's try that. That is 100% not going. No.
Pick a wall, mate, you're not fucking game over, isn't it?
I think a trip to Alfred's is needed. So, trip to Alfred's. Oh, I can't open the door, Chris. Too much in my hands. Oh. In the wagon. Oh yeah. Filthy as out.
Needs a clean.
2 valeters with dirty cars. There we are. See how many times we have to come here today. It won't be 55.
No.
Nah, it was miles bigger, wasn't it? Have I got a set? Yeah, I think we'll just do that. Items acquired. I can't speak. All this messing about, going to and from. Now, back to it. Please be right part. Please be the right part.
It's too big.
Oh my god. Right, try T60. Please be right part. Too big?
Yeah, I don't think it is a top, you know.
Oh man. Right. Moment of truth.
Ah, it's too big. It's too big, yeah. Where did you get it from?
Amazon.
Yeah, it's too big.
Amazing. Fuck.
Yeah, size smaller.
No. Finally. Please be the right parts. Oh my
16.
god. Yeah, let's
Don't
try
worry about big light.
try 16. See if it fits. Oh man. $14.
It's gotta be, surely.
Surely, come on. Man.
14.
Oh!
Told you.
Yes! Oh man.
I'll use the longer one.
That's so irritating. Is that finding that part? Oh man. Thank God. So, we're back in a different location this time, not on the street. And it's 2 days later. So, yeah. 2 days later. And we finally got the right parts to fit it, and let's hope we can get it all off today. So we're finally taking it apart now, and it's so
It's fine.
making sure everything's right. I'm not just changing the coils. The shop, they've been leaking oil, or well, hydraulic oil, and yeah, they need changing. So we're not just doing this mod to the car just to make it look good. It's actually got a purpose behind it.
That snapped it, but hold that in place. Make sure you let unit hold it as level as you can.
So I finally got that bolt out. Now we're just jacking it up to take. What is this?
Shit.
What's this bit?
Tyler, isn't it?
Tire. Oh, Jesus.
Yeah, it's like WD-40 taking that shit.
It
What's
is
going up or
dirty.
down to take it out?
I'd say put it up because
I'd
it's
jack it up.
because it's. Oh, do you want an armour? Right.
Kill it with a mallet.
I just got that.
Does that first?
Yeah.
I've already took the rest off.
Right. Let's have a look at this. See what we're dealing with. More boxes.
Waist struts.
There you go. Yeah.
Should be two.
Right. Rubbish.
Oh yeah. You have to use top mount.
That's rear.
Are you sure?
Yeah, that's
Still
rear.
need top mount now.
Oh, great.
That is the spring compressor.
So that's a no-go. Oh. I'm sure these... Some short tops, these just go straight in. There. Oh. 2 seconds, guys. Right. So taking these off now. What?
think we're doing it wrong like this.
Yeah, I think you are. Don't know your left and right here. Question is, how we're going to get under there? Oh, yeah. I need to put it down somewhere. There, can stay. There we go, she's free. Ish. Would it have been better maybe moving the jack around? Or is it alright then? It's kind of resting on that now, isn't it? Don't want to pull it out. There we go. There we are. Right.
Blue.
Yeah.
Don't like as much as
Right. I'll update you when it's out. And if there wasn't any more problems, we can't get it out. So
it's not going anywhere up.
We're gonna have to take the axle apart, and we do not have the facilities for that.
I don't think you have the facilities for that, big man.
Well, we tried. Oh man, now we're gonna have to put it back together. Well, you live and you learn. Brilliant. So that just won't come any further up, so we can't get it out. Oh. Well then, I guess these aren't going on today. And oh, that ain't coming out.
I'm trying to get to sit properly to put balls back in.
Right, well, we tried, we failed. And
Maybe next time.
Maybe next time. Get these back on. Well, yeah, maybe next time. And sometimes you just can't save money on things. And on that note,
don't be cheap, pay someone to do it.
don't be cheap. Pay someone to do it.
Get on the mechanic.
Let professionals do it. And if you are going to give it a go yourself, make
Cry
sure you've
first.
got the right tools. And yeah, make sure you have a lot of tissues as well, because there will be a lot of tears. Right. Well, if we've got any updates, I'll let you know. That'll be it. Too bad.